part 3 of our Zoom tutorial, we will talk about scheduling a single meeting. So we'll talk about privacy settings, problem solving in times that end in 15 and 45 minute increments, for example, 2:45. Resetting the password, copying and pasting the invites, hyperlinks, and how to test your links. So the first thing you're going to do is when you go to your profile, you're going to go to meetings. And then you will click on meetings and you'll see that you have many different options: upcoming, previous, personal room, meeting templates. But click on the button that says schedule a meeting. Now you have to name your meeting. So type in anything at this time, and you can also use a description, but it's not mandatory. But you do have to name your meeting. So then now you can set the day. You can either type in the day or you can use the calendar. Choose your day, choose your time. When you click on, you will see that it only goes in an hour and half-hour increments. Then you want to choose whether it's AM or PM. Now, if you want to choose something that you want, say you want a meeting for 5:45, then choose the number that's closest to 5:45. So I'm choosing 5:30. Now, if you look here, it says the basic Zoom is only 40 minutes. And that is the free Zoom account. And also it says only 3 or more participants. So if you remember in the previous tutorial, it said 100. But now we know that the free basic is only for 3. You click on the little box that says do not show this message again so that you don't have to be reminded of that. Make sure that your time zone is corrected, and now we're going to also change the password. Remember, we talked about the password being something very simple for your attendees. So now you have an option to click on waiting room. And you can also change it where you can do reoccurring, but we'll talk about reoccurring meetings for the next tutorial. Make sure that your video is on, make sure your participant video is on, and there are other options that you can choose as well. Once you've chosen all of your options, then you will click the Save button. Now your meeting is saved. So you have other options that you can send it out. You can send it out through Google Calendar, Outlook Calendar, or Yahoo Calendar, or you can simply copy the invite. So now you can copy and paste your invite into an email. Here is the link, and once you send it, it should send as a hyperlink so that they can easily click on and to join your Zoom. Now remember, we talked about changing the time. So I'm just going to go right into my invite and I'm going to change the time from 5:30 to 5:45. Now the thing is, because you're starting the meeting, if you start the meeting at 5:45, then you're fine. And this is how you create a single meeting and to copy an invite and to send it into an email.